Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert USDC to USD on Coinbase. So it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, what you need to do is you want to of course open up Coinbase, the app, or you want to visit to the Coinbase website. And then guys, what you want to be doing is once you are in the assets tab, you want to go ahead and locate your USDC balance, okay? Go ahead and locate that balance and go locate that coin in your list of assets and you want to tap on it. For example, right here, this is the USD coin, which is also USDC. So you want to tap on that balance. And next, guys, what you're going to do is you want to tap on a trade or convert to basically begin the conversion process. Then you want to basically select USD, okay, is the currency you want to convert to, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to enter the amount of USDC that you would actually like to convert. You can either convert a portion or the full balance. And after that, guys, what you're going to do is you want to review the transaction details, including the conversion rate and any fees that are there. And once you're ready, guys, you want to tap convert now or confirm to basically confirm your transaction. And that's it, guys. You've successfully, converted your USDC to USD on Coinbase. So I hope this tutorial helped you out, guys. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.